Oh, good job, Ruby. That looks like fun. Ooh, good handful. Good job, Ruby. Birds. Oh yeah, some in there. Look how many you've got to fill. You hear the leaves and the trees? There's not many left. Want me to help? Want me to help? Yeah? Ready? Yeah. Here, I'll go like this. Maybe it'll help. Watch this. How was that? Was that good? Now we got one done. Should we do this one too? Outside. Should I help you with this one too? Can you help me? Oh, heavy. Is it heavy? Cool. Yeah? You're done. Mm-hmm. Yeah, don't get stuck in there. You got a lot to do there. Oh, can we fill it up first? Can you help me? Oh. Can you help me fill it up? Oh, can you help me pick it up, Ruby? Oh! Is it heavy? Heavy? A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Heavy. Oh! Yeah. We fed the birds, didn't we? Where would... Should we put them over here? I think they'll come pretty soon. Let's put this one here, okay? Okay? We'll put this one over here. Right above your swing. I'm going to take your swing down. So, whoa, careful. Careful. We're going to take this one out front, okay? isn't working so well, is it, Ruby? There we go. I'm going to take your swing down too, okay? We can still play with it, if you want. But it's getting cold outside. Swing! You can still swing in it if you want. But the bird feeder's up there now. Yeah. Can you help me put this bird feeder up in the front, Ruby? Can you help me put this bird feeder up in the front? Want to help me? Or I could take it up front, but later. Want to go inside and have some lunch? You want to swing? Okay. Want to go inside and have some lunch, Ruby? It'll be easier if you put it in the top. Good job. Over here. There you go. Is that enough? No. Yeah. Is that good? So put the top back on. Okay, I'm gonna put the top back on, okay? Perfect. Now do you wanna, should we go put it where it goes? Wanna follow me? Yeah. It goes up front. Step down. Oh! Okay. This goes up front. Oh, no. Let's go inside first, okay? Ready? We'll take this inside too and we'll put it up front. Yeah. Ready?